Hello everyone, are you ready to learn some heavy attacks? Today I am going to demonstrate you a Pot's sword kata. Now, you know this sword is very famous for heavy attacks. You can also use this kata in machete type weapons. See the demonstration first and then I will show you the techniques. Okay, now it is the technique time. The first of all, if someone perform a punch, just block and hit him in the chin. This is a very common attack in every kata. Then perform a jumping front kick. Now another attack, just dodge it and start a heavy attack. This is a rolling attack. Perform this attack several times and push your enemy back. And after perform a final heavy attack, perform a slashing move. Now if someone comes from behind, go to him and perform a slashing attack to push him back and perform a sword block. Perform a heavy attack, push him back and hit him in the groin and cut him through there. Now this will hurt a lot. So this is it guys.